So you're searching how to turn on LED flash alerts on your iPhone so your iPhone flashes when you get a text or call like this. So here's the simplest way to enable it on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max in the quickest way possible. So first you have to open up your settings, then scroll down, and now from accessibility go to audio and visual section. And now you have to scroll all the way to bottom, and here we'll find the option LED flash for alerts. Just tap on it and turn on flash for alerts. Once you enable it, you will find two more extra options: flash while unlocked. If you enable it, it will make the flash blink even when your screen is active. And now the second option, flash in silent mode, it will keep the flash working when your iPhone is on silent. So you have to choose the option based on how you want your flash alerts to behave. And from now on, you will never miss an important message or call. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.